We all love getting new subscribers on our YouTube channel, but sometimes we want to see who's actually subscribing to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check who has actually subscribed to your YouTube channel. Let's jump inside my laptop and let me show you how. To get started, we're going to head up to the top right hand side, click on our channel icon, and then we're going to select YouTube Studio. Once we're inside of YouTube Studio, I want you to scroll down below your latest comments. There is recent subscribers, and then you can click on see all. Now this is going to give you a list of the people who have subscribed to your YouTube channel, and then on the top right hand side you can click on this drop down and select lifetime. Now it's going to sort by subscriber count, so you can see who has subscribed to your YouTube channel that has the most subscribers. And it's really interesting to see who is subscribing to your YouTube channel, so you know what kind of people you're talking to and you know who you can actually help out there. This is a really fun way to check who your new subscribers are to your YouTube channel. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and we've got the next video ready for you right here.